Hello and welcome to the myminimaths.co.uk video tutorials. And today we're going to be reading and writing numbers up to the value of 1 million. And so before we start, the very first thing we're going to need are some headings for our columns. So our place value tells us exactly what each digit is worth in each of the columns that make up the number. So first of all, if we have our units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and finally we have millions. And what we're going to do with these numbers, we're going to place them into our grid, and you can clearly see how those numbers are built up. So on to question 1. We have 608,000. Now the first thing I always recommend is that you focus on the family of thousands, as I always call them. Okay, that is the first part of the number to start building. It sort of provides the first piece of the jigsaw, and you can build around that. So we have 608,000. So if I continue these columns down to help identify this, we have 608,000, and then we have no millions, so that's nice and easy. And then we have 97. So I'm going to place the 97 in the tens and units, and as you can see, there are no hundreds. So we have 608,097 as our final answer. Okay, next we're going to move on to question 2, and this time we need to take the digits and then write them into words. So rewrite the number using words. And again, we're going to start off with this family of thousands. So how many thousands do I have altogether? We can see that there are 498. So we have 498,000. And then what do we have in the second part of the number? And we have 45. So we simply write and 45. And again, it's this family of thousands that helps start the number off, and we can fit everything else just around it. And finally, on to question 3. And this time we have 222,588. So in purple here, I've highlighted my family of thousands. So I have 222,000. And then finally over here, the second part of my very large number, I have 588 as my final answer. And again, it's this family of thousands that starts it all off. Thank you very much for listening today. I look forward to speaking to you again soon. And don't forget to subscribe to the My Mini Maths YouTube channel for the latest videos and news. Take care.